This morning we have for you the Wake and Bake 2024 for Bob Rock. Happy birthday.
Hi.
Happy first birthday to Rock.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
dear Rock. Happy birthday to you.
God, it probably stays hot forever because it has an insulation area. Air. Dead air is an insulator. Okay, so here we go. Cheers.
Cheers. Looks black.
Coffee actually tastes perfect.
Yay!
Okay, who's lighting my tote?
I
want another sip of the coffee. I'm looking at it now. Oh, carb on the bowl. Okay. Don't try to sip the coffee and do this, okay?
Oh my god, that would be hilarious. Yay.